Hey guys, Drew Bryant, President, DB Orlando Collision, right here in Orlando, Florida. Super grateful for all the support from you guys over the years, and we are just so excited to be able to share information with you. We are finally moving. It's been several years of hard looking. We were really trying to be very particular about the property that we were after, and we finally found it. So I can't wait to share it with you. Come on in and we'll show you what it's all about. We ended up buying a medical technical college. Therefore, what we're going to be walking through is a bunch of hospital rooms that we're going to go through a very large demo. This ultimately that we're coming out of will be our main lobby, and now we're going to go on a tour through what we're going to do, what our plans are, and how we're dreaming all this up. All right, so here we're going to walk you through our damage assessment and blueprinting side. This entire side of the building is going to get demoed bottom floor only. We're going to have 3 entries, a large door for production to enter in and out of, 2 14-foot doors for estimates to be able to be had inside. Those will all be visible from the main office so that you guys will be able to see firsthand and witness what the techs are doing to the vehicle, what tests and assessments that we're taking on the vehicle, any scans that are performed. Those are things that you can witness on your visits here. We're really excited about it, and we can't wait to share more. What you guys are looking at here is the last 12 years of studying how the communication works throughout the body shop, the efficiencies of each of those departments. We're pulling out all the tricks in this one. Everything is going to be beside for the most efficient communication possible. When you bring your vehicle in, the place that they're performing inspections will be right here, directly correlating to the reassembly department for final reassembly, all right next to the parts department. So the 3 departments require the highest level of communication in order to be able to execute the most efficient and accurate job for the consumer, all right here. Everything we've learned over the last 12 years, we're putting to play right today. Continuing with our lean processing, this is where our material is going to be housed. So all of our material internally that's checked in and out of all your jobs to be as accurate as we possibly can be will be stored in one particular area, all under air conditioning, and a full-time team member will be distributing it to our team members throughout the day. Now I'm standing in what was a utility room for the hospital, is ultimately going to become our body department. So directly from where I'm standing is the furthest corner of the building. There'll be dollies and tracks within the floor, and those of you familiar with our current side load booth situation. We're just going to extend that for the maximum efficiency to be able to get you back in your vehicles as fast as we possibly can. Those vehicles will get loaded onto dollies from this department. They'll get transitioned over to masking for primer. We're going to have infrared dryers for the priming equipment. Everything advances over all the way through to paint until the vehicle is completely painted, and it's on dollies the entire time. Never the vehicle is requiring to be started, driven by a technician. As soon as it's on dollies, it'll continue to transition through the operation to maximize the efficiency of our team, ultimately getting you back in your vehicle as fast as we possibly can. Now that you got all the secrets downstairs, let's walk you through what our plans are upstairs. And although we're using this space for a little bit of storage right now during construction, I'm looking forward to showing you what we have planned over in our offices. To the right, we're going to have a formal server room. This is where all of our administrative team will be, all of our estimators, and anybody that's going to be helping you guys as you come in for estimates. Estimator offices will be upstairs to my left. We've got 1 and 2 offices here. Next office down will be Judy, our VP of Operations. To my right, we're going to have a formal computer training room, and we're going to have a series of computers in here for all of our internal team members to be able to handle and do all of their internal training on our LMS. Down the hall will be Dean's office, Director of Quality Assurance, as well as a gym. So we're planning to be able to have team members working out together a couple days a week during the week. This will be our formal training room. So we're hoping to be able to get this set up, and as the body shop is operating efficiently below us, we're looking to be able to invite some other shop owners in, peer-minded shop owners, some independents, to be able to strategize, share some ideas, and all work to be able to make our market in our area within Central Florida, everyone on the same page, working together to ultimately to be able to serve the consumers as best we possibly can. Although currently set up for a hospital patient, this room will ultimately become our conference room. This is where we'll have all of our morning production meetings, projection meetings throughout the week, and any team conferences that we need to be able to do to keep everybody on the same page. I really appreciate you guys staying with us. I can't wait to continue to share more of this project with you. We're hoping to be able to get updates to you progressively throughout the build out, during demo. We do have a lot to show you on the other side of the property as well. We're going from relatively small parking lot right now, maybe 40, 50 cars, to the Disneyland of parking lots for a body shop. We've got 3.5 acres of paved parking that we should be able to store anywhere between 250 and 300 cars at a time. We actually have a secondary building in the back that we've got some plans for to be able to bring in some additional mechanical and additional services around ADAS calibration, resets, and all the things that we do have to sub out from time to time. We are now going to have the space to be able to expand within and keep everything under one roof for you. Continue to stay tuned. Appreciate everybody.